There's one video on my YouTube channel that made a ton of six figures, multiple six figures, I should say, multiple six figures Amazon sellers doing online arbitrage. And more than that, but also I know that there's a couple of guys that did way more than 50,000 a month on Amazon just by doing the strategy that I shared in one of my previous videos. And it is actually sourcing Walgreens, okay? And I saw some tweets a couple of days ago saying that nobody actually shared their niche when doing online arbitrage, because if you share it, like if you start sharing your niche, it starts getting saturated. And the truth is that I actually released a video explaining to you guys how to actually source Walgreens, and it is last year. I released this video almost 1.5 years ago. It has 1,700 views. All right, I released this video showing exactly the game plan on how to source Walgreens, what to look, and I also literally have, and if you are on the Discord server, you know, my VA go through Walgreens promotion every single Sunday, because yes, I'm going to explain to you guys how to actually source Walgreens again in 2024. But like my VA go through the list of promotions every single day that are on Walgreens and send you the link so you can actually scan them. I released a video 1.5 years ago explaining the whole strategy with Walgreens, and people made thousands and thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars of revenue with that video, with the strategy in that video, and it's not even saturated. You can still make money with this video, with the strategy that are in this video today. All right, so by the way, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right here on YouTube on how to sell on Amazon, such as this one that made a ton of six-figure sellers and potentially seven-figure sellers. I don't know. So yeah, if you're new, subscribe, like this video, so you get to actually do this. All right, so in this video, in the video that I released last year, which is this one, you can check it out. It's how to source Walgreens, something like this, Chris Mangunza. You'll see this amazing thumbnail that a lot of people loved. You'll see that you can get the exact strategy to source Walgreens, right? That I'm going to re-explain in today's video. But Walgreens, so pretty much Walgreens is one thing, and this is something that I've said in multiple videos that I've been saying over and over again. Nature Made on Walgreens has been in a buy one get one free promotion for more than 1.5 years now on Walgreens, and you can make a ton of money just sourcing the buy one get one free promotion on Walgreens. Just go through it manually. There's 120 products, so you can scan it, but go through it manually because it's going to miss a lot of products. You can make a ton of money just sourcing this, okay? There's people that make a ton of money just sourcing this, and I've been saying it in videos upon videos upon videos upon videos, and if you actually look at it, it is still not saturated. And I literally released a video sourcing Nature Made not too long ago. But if we actually look on Amazon, okay? If we actually go on Amazon, if we look at Nature Made, let's look at Nature Made product. By the way, Nature Made now is restricted for some sellers, so check if you can actually sell them, okay? But if you actually go and we look at a product where Amazon is not in stock, let's take these, okay? I'm not sure if Amazon is in stock on these. Let's look at it. Let it load. Amazon is in stock in these. So let me find a product where Amazon is not in stock. Okay, so we're on the Keepa product finder. I'm going to show you the search that I made, okay? I'm going to look at Nature Made product that have been selling, that were listed before I released the video on January 30, 2023, okay? And where Amazon is out of stock 75% of the time. Let's look at those products. So, because I want to talk about the fact that sharing stuff will actually lead to saturation. Not even 1,700 people watched this video, and I'm going to show you that there's not even 10 people that jumped on those opportunities, okay? So let's look at this one. I don't know if this one has some wholesaler on it, so maybe it's not the best one to look at. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a random one. Let's look at this one, okay? It's a D3, super easy to find on Walgreens, all right? So if you actually look at it, let's look at it. Amazon is in stock on them sometimes. Yeah, the price is too low. Actually, I don't know why it's telling us that the lowest price is $4, where when I'm telling us that it's at $17.70. Let's check. Yeah, the lowest FBA offers is $17.70. All right, let's look at it. Can we actually find this on Walgreens? Let's check it out quickly, and let's open it on Walgreens. Here we go. Is this the one? It is the one. Okay, 90 soft gel. 90 soft gel, 25.99, 25.99. Let's compute to see if it is actually profit. So this is my product calculation spreadsheet that you can use with the link in the description. There's a link in the description. You can get it for free. Okay, so I would get it if I were you. And by the way, if you want to get the Walgreens links every single week, there's a link also in the description that will actually give you the Walgreens links every single week. But let's look at it. Let's see if we can make it profitable. Okay, so 25.99. So we get it for 25.99. Let me enter the price. 25.99. We get buy one get one free, so it's 50% off already. But is there any other coupon? We could loop the welcome coupon if we wanted to. We could loop the welcome coupon that gives us 25% off. So 0.5 times 0.75. This is the best coupon, but most of the time, so if you really want to make it sustainable, you can use 20% coupon on Walgreens. It's going to work. So let's look at it. Let's look at this. So 0.5 times 0.8. Okay, we're going to make it as if we had a welcome coupon. It's going to be 60% off. All right, it's going to be 60% off. Let's look at it with a 60% coupon, no gift card, 2% credit card cashback, and cashback. Let's see what the cashback is on Walgreens. On Rakuten, we get 2%. On top cashback, we get, I need to log in. I have no idea, and I do not want to log in. All right, so 2%. We get these for $10.71, and actually we don't pay sales tax on these right in Florida, so $9.98. Okay, I can get these for $9.98. Let's check if it is actually profitable. It is not going to be profitable. It's 13% return on investment. All right, if you actually FBM them, we ship them for $5. It's not going to be profitable, but you get the idea. It's almost profitable, and probably we can make it. Okay, let's look at it with a 25% coupon. Actually, let's look at it with a 25% coupon. Let's check this out with a 25% coupon. So we have 0.5 times 0.75. It's and I do, let me do this, 1 minus this. We have 62.5%. 62.5%. Oh, and actually I forgot something. Let's just keep it 60% because we do not want to loop the welcome coupon. Actually, if you look at it this way, you get 6% of $6 off 4. So you get $1.50. You pay $1.50 less per unit. So you get this minus 1.5, so you actually pay $8.48 per unit. All right, $8.48 per unit. $8.48 per unit is going to be profitable. All right, if you want to learn more to manufacturer marketing, to look at all that stuff, I have a ton of video. Okay, 33% return on investment. All right, so it is still profitable. You can still find profitable products doing this strategy. All right, if you actually look at it. Okay, so this one, Amazon was on it. But if you actually look after, so in July, it was still selling for the same price. Yes, it went down a little bit, then Amazon came, then you were not able to make it profitable, but right now it's back to profitability. Like, there's a ton of them, and it's not the only nature-made products that you can source, there's a ton of them, right? So you can see that I shared the strategy, and it is still working. You can still really use the same strategy and make it profitable, all right? Actually, make this specific product profitable. All right, with this coupon, with using the buy one get one free, you can potentially use the Walgreens cash as well. There's even more ways that you can actually use to manufacture your margins. Okay, I haven't sourced Walgreens for a long time, but yeah, you get the idea. So of course the 20% coupon is not available all the time, but I'm pretty sure that if you look, you can actually find one right now, and most of the time there's going to be 20% coupon. Worst case scenario, use a 15. Actually, yeah, no, it's with Pride 20. If we look here with Pride 20, but it's not, it's on beauty and personal care. I don't think it falls into that. But yeah, like you can see there's a ton of way to manufacture margins, and just look at all to manufacture margins. Worst case scenario, use the 25% welcome coupon to manufacture margins on Walgreens this way. All right. So of course, like, you're going to need to place orders of 4. It's going to be tedious, but like at the end of the day, like you need to do what you need to do. Okay, but just to show you that it is still profitable. So if you want to source on Walgreens, there's 2 things that you need to understand. The new promotions comes every single Sunday during the night. And if you actually want to get all the links for free, if you want to scan them, you can actually subscribe to my newsletter and you will receive them every single Sunday. You will receive the link. You can just run the links on Tactical Expander, super easy, right? You can just run the links on Tactical Expander. And actually, you can get 4% cash back with, I forgot what the name of this extension, but whatever. All right? No, there's another thing that you can source, that you can actually source on Walgreens, and it's going to be the clearance, right? So if you want to source the clearance, it's a little bit harder to find. Okay, I think it's right here. You go to sale, right there. Oh, online clearance, right there. Online clearance. You actually go to the online clearance and you can make a ton of money just by sourcing the online clearance on Walgreens. Still the same strategy, and do not be scared to think that this strategy is going to be saturated. It's not. You can see that I actually shared the strategy, the whole thing about the strategy last year, more than 1.5 years ago. It is still profitable. Okay, so stop all that bullshit with you know, sharing niche and all that stuff. Like, I guarantee that this specific video had more reach than the people actually sharing loops on Twitter. And so at the end of the day, you see that it's not that bad. You can still make a ton of money on it. Maybe Nature Made right now, a lot of people are restricted. So yeah, but you can still source Walgreens, and Walgreens is not saturated. Ton of ways to make money on Walgreens. You just need to know the loops, and you just need to know to manufacture your margins, just like everything. All right. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, watch these videos that appear on the screen right now. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.